Hi everyone and welcome. Today we have a special dessert we're making, at least to me, a cherry cream cheese pie. Now a long time ago this pie was introduced to me when I started dating, which later became my wife. Her name is Teresa. She made this pie for me when we were young, and she would make it like around the holidays. But let me tell you, the first time I tried this pie, I fell in love with it. Today, and still today, it is one of my favorite pies. I always try and make this when I can. I don't make it too often, but being that Christmas is just a couple of days away now, this is going to be one of our Christmas desserts. And not only did she introduce me to this pie, she's also the mother of my two kids. I love them very much. So Teresa introduced me to two things. One, this wonderful pie, and two, my two kids. So what you need for this pie, of course, is 1 graham cracker ready pie crust. You can get them in the stores, pretty easy. You also want to need some sweetened condensed milk, a little bit of some lemon juice, of course some cherry pie filling. If you're not a cherry fan, of course you could always use blueberries, or hey, even strawberries would probably even be really good on this. Also some vanilla extract and some Philadelphia cream cheese, at least 1 8-ounce pack. Now, we were going to do it this way, the way that she always made it for me, but I think I'm going to do something different and make Terry really proud. We are going to make our own graham cracker crust, which we already started. We used our food processor and used about 13 graham crackers and some quarter cup of sugar and a stick of salted butter. You could also use brown sugar for this if you wanted to. It'll work just as good. But for right now, since this is already made, we're going to put this in our oven, which we already have preheating at 375 for about 8 minutes. And when it's done, we will come back and start making the filling. All right. We will be right back. All right, guys, we're back. Our pie crust is still cooling, so we're going to start working on our filling here. First, we have our 8-ounce block of cream cheese, and we're just going to start mixing that until it's nice and smooth and fluffy. Okay, now we're going to add our 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Teresa used to make this. I used to always love licking the bowl afterwards. Alright, we're going to mix this in. Alright, now we're going to add our 1/3 cup of lemon juice. And we're going to mix that in. Alright, our last ingredient is 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Alright guys, there you have it. That's what it should kind of look like when it's done. Okay, and once our pie crust cools down a little more, we'll put this on, and then we'll have to put it in the refrigerator and let it cool for a little bit. Alright, so we'll be back in a little bit. Alright guys, we're back. Our graham cracker crust has cooled, and here's what it looks like. And now we're going to put in our filling. We're going to smooth this out. Alright, here it is, guys. There it is. Hope that looks good, Teresa. Alright, we're going to set this in the refrigerator for a few hours and let it sit. And when we come back, we'll be able to put our cherry topping on. Alright, we'll be back in a little bit. Alright guys, we're back. And, well, our pies are done. Here is our homemade graham cracker crust cherry cream pie. Right here. Looks yummy. And here is the one that I was always made when I was younger by Teresa. And this is the one that is a store-bought graham cracker crust that we made while we were waiting for this one. Both are just as good, except this one is already crust made and this one's a homemade. But let's put this one to the side and let's give the homemade crust one a try. Get our pie scooper here. There we go. Alright, here we go, guys. There we go. Crust. Let's give this a try. Well, I'll have to admit, the homemade crust is, graham cracker crust is really good. The store-bought crust is going to be just as good, but well, the homemade one is even better. I'll say, give this a try. Thumbs up. Thank you, Teresa, for the best pie still that I've ever had. And I hope everyone has a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. And God bless, and see you on the next one. Bye for now.